Ole Taualuga, Voigt of Filoi Vaila'au. Yes,
I wanted to start teaching Siva Samoa because I knew that that was probably something that was lacking here in New Zealand. Not everyone grows up around it. And here in New Zealand, there's so many cultures and there's so many influences. I felt like Siva Samoa was a good way to engage our new generation here in New Zealand to learn about their culture.
I saw it and it was really graceful and I liked it.
I'm part Samoan and yeah, it made me want to get closer to who I am and stuff, yeah.
Looking at your hands. Yep, keep your elbows up. You can't just put your hands here and there and not understand what it is that you're performing about. So think about how you are looking at your hands. You're telling a story through your hands, so you need to smile. Don't smile forcefully because you need to genuinely smile. I remember being taught in Samoa, from my mom especially. We every now and then have Taualuga, Sivas, and us kids usually just watch the older generation dancing. I remember my mom would always say, "Vaila'au," which is pretty much move gracefully. My mom would always be, "Atsa, vaiomaka, lima," like things like that. She didn't exactly teach me technically what to do. It was more just the things that you need to remember from inside when you perform, not so much the actual actions that you're doing, but how you perform them. So you have to feel really centered and also just the respect that you carry as a Samoan woman that needs to come through in the way that you move. My grandmother was really significant in my upbringing, and so I just carry them like you're carrying the past with you as you perform. So my first Taualuga was when I was 7, I think. My father was a minister at the Papota Girls College. I was asked to represent the school for their Taualuga. It was overwhelming, yeah. When I was back in school, some of the kids in my year 6 class, they were like, we saw you on TV. Like, I didn't know it was that much of a big deal until like afterwards when they came up to you and they're like, oh, well done. I don't want to change the way that I dance. I want to still perform the way that I've been taught.